Today we have a Volkswagen T6.1. It's really one of my favourite vans in silver. So we've got a Vangear Kombi conversion in this. So we've actually converted this ourselves using the Volkswagen original equipment. So you've got 2+1 there. You've got two single seats in the front here with the passenger one swivelling. So we've trimmed out the van. I'll show you that in a minute. And here we've got our Vangear Kombi table, which is detachable, and then we've got a couple of table supports for that. So the single seat really does transform the Kombi. Access in between the seats there, and with the swivelling seat you've got room for your family in the back here, or your friends. So the T6.1, as I said a minute ago, one of my favourite vans. Very high quality van. Probably never going to make a van as high quality as this ever again. So as well as the standard Kombi setup, we've got our new Kombi bed in the back here. So as you can see here, we put our Vangear headline in and the Vangear panels on the side here. And then we've got our new Kombi bed, which I'll demonstrate in a minute. And then at the back here, we've got a tailgate pod. So the bed can come out over this. So this slides out. It's got a table on the top there that slides into the end there. Your cordless tap in there. So then you've got your stove, your sink, a couple of water bottles in there, and some storage inside the pod there. You also got some really handy storage in here. There's great couple of bins either side to put your sleeping bags and all your gear in there. Stops you sliding around. So with this setup, this is all removable. So this tailgate pod is removable from there, so you can remove that completely. And that really opens up the boot. So got this unobstructed load area here, and the cross piece to the bed will also come out. So if you really need to use this as a full van, take the cross piece out, take the pod out, and fold the seats down. The seats are even removable, remember, you've got a really practical load area. So in a minute, I'll demonstrate the bed. Okay, so I'll just demonstrate the new Kombi bed. So I've just released the seats, so you push the seats forward. So then there's a strap here that you undo for the bed there. And then using the handles, pull out the leaves over the side retaining pieces. So I just push the mattress out. So there you go, a really wide, comfortable bed, and this one's got the 10cm mattress that's really comfy. And the advantage with the swivel seat is you've got a little area as you get out of bed you can sit on there.